Hey YouTube, it's the Tech Hacker here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to produce 1080p HD quality videos in Camtasia Studio. Now, what you're going to need is a preset. If you already use Camtasia Studio or you're familiar with it, you should know that when you produce a video, you're going to use a preset like YouTube or Web or whatever, whichever one of those presets, or you might have made a custom preset. Well, I made a preset for you guys, and they are called WMV 1080p HD or MOV 1080p HD. You can pick whichever one you want, but let me just recommend you get WMV, especially if you have Windows. If you don't have Windows, probably going to go for the MOV, but test them out, see which one works better, and get whichever one you want. Now let me just show you that these are legitimate URLs. I don't want you guys to be afraid that you're downloading a virus or anything like that. So here's the first one. Okay, you're just going to type in the code right here, click download file, and here is the second one. And likewise for this, you're just going to want to type in whatever you see right here, click download file. And once it's downloaded, you're going to put it onto the desktop, and you're going to now want to go to wherever you installed Camtasia Studio custom production presets. Now, for default, I think it's under Documents, Camtasia Studio, and then right here you should see it. And so we're just going to want to go into that. Now, I have both of them. You don't have to have both of them. You can have whichever one you want, and you're just going to want to drag and drop it from your desktop into here, and it'll now be a preset. And it's a .xml file, if you guys want to know. It's like a kind of document text file. So yeah, it is now in there, and it's installed in your Camtasia Studio. Now, when you're recording your screen, to make it look a lot better, let me just recommend that you guys go into Tools, and then you go to Options, and you're going to want to go to, it says .camrec is the way it's going to record to, and you're going to want to change that to .avi. And also, I don't know where it is in Camtasia Studio for me. It might be a little bit different for whatever version you guys have, but there's going to be a part that says screen capture frame rate, and it might be on 30, it might be on whatever it has. Manually change that, so delete that and put in 80, and then click OK, and yeah, you're going to want to record. So now I already have a test that we're going to put in here, so here's my test, and let's put this into the timeline. Now it's going to say right here, what size do you want your video to be? You're going to want to make it the size that you're actually recording it with. So it should say recording dimensions, that's your size. Now let me recommend that you have a widescreen recording, because you're going to be producing this in widescreen HD. So, if you have a good screen, you're going to want to probably put on a high resolution, make it, good 1280 by 720 or 1680 by 1050, whatever one. So I'm going to put it like this, and we're going to click OK. So don't worry about the recommended project dimensions. It doesn't know what you're producing it to. It knows that you're producing it to the default, and it would not look good if you're using this high quality, but we're not producing it to default. We're producing it to a much higher resolution, higher quality production video. So now once you're done editing and all that stuff, you're going to want to go to produce and share, or it might be like for Camtasia Studio 6, it might be somewhere around here. It says produce, and we're going to go to this drop down, and we're going to go to whichever one you want. Let's go to WMV for right now, and the dimensions is going to be 920 by 1080, hence a 1080p right there. And when you upload this to YouTube, after it's done rendering, when you upload it, it should have, after like an hour or two of rendering and all that stuff, so the quality gets fixed on YouTube, you should have a 1080p HD option, you guys. So I'm just going to click next and show you what it is. So test and finish. Now I'm going to let it render, and I will come back as soon as it's done. Alright guys, it is now finished. Now let me just show you the final production here. Okay. So yeah, that's our 1080p HD test video. And by the way, just a little hint right here. If you're having bars, like black bars on the side of your screen, depending on what resolution you have, like right here and right here, when you upload it to YouTube especially, just go check if you have that. If you do, you're going to want to go to the zoom in pan and right click, snap to fit video edges, and then make sure that's on the instant setting. So it has to be out right here, instant, and just put that in the very beginning, and yeah, it should just snap to fit the actual screen. So thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to thumbs up the video, comment saying if it worked or not, and also be sure to subscribe, guys. I'm trying to apply for YouTube partnerships, so I need a lot of subscribers, a lot of channel views, and a lot of video views. So you watching my videos really does help. So be sure to subscribe and check out the rest of my videos. Thanks for watching, guys. Later.